you guys, happy 2-Minute Tuesday. So today we are up testing a brand new GoPro Hero 10 and it has terrible sound. Stick around and I'll let you guys know what the issue is. This is way steeper than it looks. So yeah, like I was saying, you guys, I don't know, I know that the sound is terrible on these GoPros, and you can get it's called a media mod. It's a cage that goes around the camera and then it has like an external mic or something along those lines, which is kind of crappy because you shouldn't have to buy a top of the line camera and then buy additional things to make it sound better. So sorry if the sound is not good, you guys. That's something that can be fixed. I'm just on the fence of whether it's worth it or not. As you know, most of my videos have pretty decent quality if you watch some of my older ones, and I use the Sony X3000, which is a pretty good camera, but it's getting on in age, and the GoPro does have some nice features. You know, the voice control is really awesome, and it's got a lot different frame rates, like 60 frames per second 4K, which is what we're filming right now. The Sony will do 4K, but it only does 30 frames per second, and I don't really care for the 30 frames per second because, you know, I like to go like this. I like to move the camera around, you know, and it just looks so much smoother when you're moving it around. So if I do decide to keep the camera, I will definitely get I won't film any more videos until I get the sound modification, because I know it's terrible. I could hardly even believe how bad it was, but anyways, beautiful day. I'm just gonna get a few random clips here of the bike and some stuff, you guys. This is basically the GoPro test, so let me know in the comments what you guys think. These things are pretty cool. This is kind of a good test for cameras. It's really kind of dark and filtered sunlight, I guess is what it is. So far the camera's working really good, you guys. Lots of good features. I know the volume's not going to be very good. I know this video is going to be a little longer than I was expecting too, but I just wanted to get a quick test with it. It's also very hot today. I didn't even put on all my gear because it's, you know, mid 30s to upper 30s. It's been 39 pretty much all week, so right on. So yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely drop some comments. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what cameras you guys use. And any GoPro tips or anything you guys have for me, that'd be appreciated. I will see you guys on the very next video. Brah.